Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Instagram API key or access token. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go to developer.facebook.com. Okay. Again, developer.facebook.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and click on register at the very top or get started at the top right. Okay. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and click on continue. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and log in. Okay. Now in this section, just go ahead and select developer or whatever. It's up to you. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and use developer right here and complete the registration. And then just wait for our dashboard to pop up. Now once you're in here, make sure that you create an app. Click on create app right here or right here at the bottom. Now just close this one. App details right here. Give it a name. For example, made for money, and then click on next. Now under use cases, make sure that you click on others because there's no direct way adding your Instagram or creating an Instagram API key right here. So what we're going to select in here, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on others. Okay, now go ahead and click on next. Now go ahead and select business, next, and just go ahead and click on create an app. If you have a business portfolio, select that from this drop down. And once that's done, just basically click on setup right here under Instagram. So as you can see here, it needs us to add an account for us to be able to generate an access token. So what we'll do is just go ahead over to app roles, click on this drop down and click on roles right here, and then go ahead and add people. Okay. Now go ahead and just select Instagram tester and then enter the Instagram account. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and invite my own right here. And make sure, by the way, that the account is a creator/professional account or a business account. This will not work for standard or personal accounts. Okay, just click on add. And then as you can see here, it's pending. Okay, so what we'll do is just log in to our Instagram account. And then make sure that we'll log into the same exact account. Okay, so once you're logged into the correct account, go ahead over to the bottom left, click on more, and then go ahead and click on settings. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down and find the app in the media section. This one. Now go ahead and click on website permissions. Okay. Now click on apps and websites right here. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and click on tester invites. Okay. So just click on it. And as you can see here, we have the invite in this account. So just click on accept. Wait a bit. Go back to developers.facebook.com. Refresh the page. And it should now be active. All right, so let's just wait for it to reload. There you go. And then once that's done, go ahead over to the left panel. Click on this Instagram drop down, and then we're going to want to click on API setup with Instagram login. So in here, scroll down. As you can see, generate access tokens. We can now go ahead and click on this drop down and click on generate token. Click on it. It's going to ask us to log in again. So just log in. And then once logged in, you will now be able to see your API key. Just click on copy. Okay. I'm not going to show you right here. So make sure that you save it at a safe place and do not give it to anyone, as whoever has access to your API key, they will have access to that Instagram account as well. Okay. So if you're looking for your app secret, here we have it. Just click on show and copy it if you want to. If not, you'll be good to go. And that is how you get an API key for Instagram or access token. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.